Angeline Ong, and welcome to your look ahead to Tuesday, the 21st of November. Now, the Aussie dollar, one of the first few things that might see some volatility. We've got the RBA meeting minutes. Now, the Aussie dollar made a 3-month high, and the New Zealand dollar neared a 1-month top early in the session, thanks to bets that US rates have peaked. And let me just show you the chart here because this is one of the most traded crosses on the IG platform. And as you can see there on this candle here, we are seeing a gain of 0.5%. Of course, some of the uplift also coming from a firm yuan. Next on our schedule, we have public sector net borrowing from the United Kingdom. This would be interesting given the week that has been, where we saw David Cameron coming back into politics again. Prime Minister Rishi Sunak also in the session saying that the government is now able to cut taxes after the rate of price increases eased. He said the target of halving inflation has been met, so now taxes can be reduced in a responsible way. However, still lacking on concrete details, which hopefully will come out in the coming few days. Next on the calendar, we've got Canada out with its consumer price index expectations there. 3.2% year on year for the month of October. And from the US, look out for the Chicago Fed National Activity Index, along with existing home sales data as well, and the API crude oil inventories. Just showing you the dollar index here, because the dollar has been quite interesting in the last session in that it has been weakening slightly, bottoming out at 103.53. It's now at actually 103.23 since, and if I take a broader view there, you can see that it's come off that October high seen in October 3rd. Investors appearing to solidify bets that US interest rates have peaked, and the Fed could even begin starting cutting rates next year. On the earnings front, we've got AO World reporting first half numbers along with Cranswick, and also from the US, look out for a Best Buy on the retail front and HP out with fourth quarter numbers. But the big name reporting in the shortened trading week in the US is Nvidia, and all session stock on the IG platform. The tech giant, which is reporting later in the session, will be the highlight because investors are looking out for what the chip leader is going to say about its revenues in the coming quarters. The focus also on whether or not widening US curbs on the sales of its high-end chips to China could hamper the stock's run. And I'll be back on Beat the Street at 13:30 London time to give you a heads up to the US trading day. And Angela Barnes will be doing the same at 7:30 on early morning call to give you a heads up to the European trading session. Until then, follow me on Twitter at Angeline Ong and also at IGCom. This is IGTV.